Hi friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I'm not featuring a stamp set. I am featuring the Memories and More card pack. It's called Sweet Thoughts, and there's some colors in there that I'll be utilizing. There is crushed curry, garden green, pecan pie, pretty peacock, coastal cabana, and basic black. So that you get like stickers. So these are 2 sheets of stickers, and you can use these for memory keeping or scrapbooking if you want. The more modern way is to call it memory keeping with our little slip-in booklet, or you can use these as cards. So that's why we call them Memories and More card packs. The thing is that there's a lot of inspiration in these cards. So for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be continuing this theme of seeing how many cards that I can, pretty cards, well crafted, thought out cards that I can do with these Memories and More pack. I'm not 100% sure how much they are. They're really affordable, and I'm gonna start off with a basic white card base, and then I'm going to see what I can do with these. They're sort of bigger cards, and these are like little smaller cards, and some have more of a writing theme where you can write down your memories and you know, jot down thoughts, and if you're doing that memory keeping kind of thing, or you can make cards with them. So that is what I am going to do. And I did bring out some of those colors that I just mentioned off at the beginning. And yeah, I'm just sort of going through showing you what things are in this card pack. So I'm taking out my trusty trimmer, and I'm going to slice down that line that says, I don't even remember what it says. So it's just underneath the writing. Enjoy the little moments. Yeah. So, and now I'm fussy cutting and I fussy cut everything off. So now it just says enjoy, which is a very nice sentiment for a card. Enjoy this present. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy you know, the cruise I just gave you. Enjoy my divorce papers, whatever you want. All right, so there's this tiny little card that sort of has the same monochromatic look of the pretty peacock flowers. I quite like this color. So, and I like the butterfly, and I like the flowers, and it's kind of retro, and I'm kind of digging it. So I started with this one. I have 2 cards to share with you today. So hopefully you will forgive me for being a little tardy in this video coming up. I just didn't have time to edit and also sleep. So there you go. I'm using the Pretty Peacock Stampin' Up marker to color the ends because of the card, because it was white core card and I want it to look like I cut everything perfectly. So you could go over this with black as well. I personally like, you know, since it's monochromatic and I'm using Pretty Peacock, I might as well do that. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm coming in from behind, and I'm just running that marker edge actually all along the cut, the fussy cut edge, so that it looks like I cut everything perfectly. It's a little cheat. I do it all the time, and yeah, it makes it look perfect. So you don't see the white core of that cardstock, or well, it's card actually. So there you go. Ta-da! Look at how perfectly I cut everything. So I have a basic white thick card base, and I'm going to flick my the nib in the lid and make a nice spattering. We call that spritzing. And now I put dimensional adhesive on the back of that Enjoy floral piece. Now I'm going to trim off the excess. And now I have a lovely card base, and I'm going to affix these flowers. I'm going to fold my cardstock in half, however, so that I am placing it correctly. And it fits perfectly up in this corner. And it looks like I meant to have those half cut off flowers there, which I just arranged it that way. So here, oh yes, I used the petal pink and the pretty peacock foiled gems for this card. I absolutely adore being a part of my product share because I get a little smattering of everything that's in the annual or the mini catalog. And I have to say, stuff like this, where you only need 3 embellishments, it worked out really, really well. So that's my first card. If you like it, give my video a thumbs up. Well, just give my video a thumbs up. That'd be great. Okay, and then for the second card, which is even more simple, no fussy cutting. So I have a blending brush here, and I'm using crushed curry, and I'm blending that on my basic white card. And then I'm going to take my crushed curry pen, Stampin' Up marker, and I'm going to do that speckly, and it basically just takes away from a bright white card, if you know what I'm saying. So I started putting these flowers on, and then I wanted to use this paintbrush as the focal piece, but it's sticky. So these are stickers. So I took my embossing buddy, and I smeared that powder all over the back of that sticker so it wouldn't be sticky, because I'm going to pop that up on dimensionals in a minute. But I wanted to use this focal piece as a placeholder for, itself in a minute, but I didn't want to apply any more flowers until I knew where I needed to put them. So I am using this sticker sheet, and I get 2, so I get another chance to use these stickers for another project. So I don't feel like I'm using too much. And I'm placing the little flowers there, and then I will put dimensional adhesive on the back of that floral paintbrush, and then I'll zhuzh it up with a heart sticker and a sticker that says happy and a sticker says birthday. So it is going to be a happy birthday card, and I'm going to embellish it with let me see here, what are they called? Bloomin' Pearls. That is my embellishments. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you, and I'm not joking about that, and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting. I really appreciate you. You interacting with my channel makes the YouTube algorithm share my channel to other crafters just like you. So thanks so much again. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.